Adding images to a snippet is very similar to adding images to your pages. To start, we'll open up a page where we want to add that snippet and that image. We'll hover over Content and Open Pages. We'll look for the training folder and search for our individual training folder. I'm going to open up the index page. That's my landing page. And if I scroll down, I can search for the main content section and open that up. I don't have a snippet in there yet, but I'm going to add one. I'll look for the Insert Snippet button in the WYSIWYG editor and click that. And for this example, I'm going to use the landing teaser column snippet. And if I zoom out a little bit, you can see that's a pretty big snippet. There's a lot of stuff going on there. And I can go through and change this if I want to. But right now, I just want to edit that image. And if I want to later, I can change that text. But let's zoom back in, and I'm going to start changing this image. So I can replace this just like I do any other image. If I click on the image to highlight it, I can go up to the WYSIWYG editor and click Insert Edit Image. I can also right-click on the image and select Insert Edit Image. And when I do that, I get my Insert Edit Image pop-up window where I can select a new source file. I'll use the search filter to look for my new image that I've added. And if I click on that, I can see that over on the right that it's the right size for this snippet, 800 by 600 pixels. I want to be sure to add a description to that. And I'll click OK. Now we have a new image in there. And if I want to, I can go down and make changes to the text in there. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. And if I go to save and exit, we'll see those changes fade in. So there's my new snippet with a new background and my new image. And if I go to preview, I get a little better view of how that works. And if I shrink that window down, you can see that that image changes just a little bit. So it's always important to be aware of that. A small piece of the outside edge of that image may be cropped, depending on the display window, whether I'm using a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. But other than that, our snippet looks good and we're ready to go. So we can publish that when we're ready.